So in this video, we're going to look at photosynthesis. First of all, you should know that plants use light for their source of energy, and the reaction that plants use to trap this energy is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of the plant, and each leaf contains a green chemical called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the part of the leaf that absorbs the light energy. So in the first stage of photosynthesis, the plant takes carbon dioxide and water into the leaf. Light energy is then absorbed by the chlorophyll, and this light energy is then used to convert the carbon dioxide and water into the sugar glucose as well as oxygen. We can see this with the word equation on the screen as well. Carbon dioxide plus water being our reactants and glucose and oxygen being our products. We can also use the chemical equation where carbon dioxide is CO2, water is H2O, glucose is C6H12O6 and oxygen is O2, leaving us with CO2 plus H2O becomes C6H12O6 plus O2. It's worth noting that this equation is not balanced, but we'll come back to this at the end. So now we're going to have a little look at the factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, starting off with light intensity. So as we can see on the graph, when the light intensity is 0, the rate of photosynthesis is 0 as well. This is because plants need light to carry out photosynthesis. But as we increase the light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis increases. This is because the plant now has more light energy to carry out the photosynthesis reaction, so the reaction gets faster. The key point here though is noticing that if we increase the light intensity and the rate of photosynthesis increases, this tells us that the light intensity was a limiting factor. Photosynthesis was not as fast as it could have been because there was not enough light. However, if we keep increasing the light intensity, there comes a point where the rate of photosynthesis no longer increases. So now at this point, light intensity is no longer the limiting factor. Now let's take a little look at carbon dioxide concentration. As we can see, the graph is very similar to light intensity. So as we increase the concentration of carbon dioxide, the rate of photosynthesis also increases, telling us that once again, carbon dioxide concentration was the limiting factor on the rate of photosynthesis. However, if we keep increasing the concentration of carbon dioxide, there comes a point where the rate of photosynthesis no longer increases. So now at this point, carbon dioxide concentration is no longer the limiting factor. And finally, we'll just have a little look at temperature. So as we increase the temperature, the enzymes involved in photosynthesis work faster, so the rate of photosynthesis increases. However, if we keep increasing the temperature, the enzymes will denature and the rate of photosynthesis falls, as we can see on the graph. And last but not least, we just have a little bonus question to finish off. So can you balance the chemical equation for photosynthesis? So pause the video here and we'll show the answer on the next page. So our final answer is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O becomes C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Hope that helped you guys out. If you've got any questions at all, please comment below and we'll do our best to help. Have a great day.